What if you could create something once and sell it hundreds or even thousands of times without packing boxes, shipping products, or hiring employees? People are making money every day selling digital products like planners, templates, ebooks, AI prompts, and online guides. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners can start a digital product business in 2026, even with zero experience. Let's get started. Digital products are one of the best online businesses because they have low startup costs, high profit margins, and can generate income while you sleep. The best part? You don't need to be a designer or programmer anymore because AI tools can help you create almost everything. Today, I'll walk you through the complete process. Section 1. What are digital products? Digital products are files customers download after purchasing. Examples include Canva templates, resume templates, budget planners, wedding invitations, AI prompt packs, Notion templates, fitness plans, meal planners, printable wall art, ebooks, digital journals, study notes, social media templates. Once created, they can be sold over and over again. No inventory, no shipping, no warehouse. Section 2. Why this business is growing fast. Millions of people search online every month for tools that save time. Businesses want templates. Students want study guides. Creators want content planners. Professionals want resumes. Thanks to AI, creating these products has become much faster than ever. Instead of spending weeks designing, many creators finish products in a single day. That's why more people are starting digital product businesses every year. Section 3. Step-by-step business model. Here's the simple process. Step 1. Find a problem people already have. Examples. I need a better resume. I want to organize my finances. I need Instagram templates. I need ChatGPT prompts. Always solve a problem. Step 2. Create the product. Use tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Google Docs, PowerPoint, Notion. AI can help generate ideas, write content, and speed up your workflow. Step 3. Design professionally. Use clean fonts, simple colors, easy layouts. Remember, simple sells. Complicated doesn't. Step 4. Export your files, usually as PDF, PNG, ZIP, DOCX. Now your product is ready. Step 5. Upload it to marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip. You can also sell from your own website later. Section 4. Best digital products to sell in 2026. Here are some of the hottest categories. AI prompt bundles, Canva templates, Notion dashboards, printable planners, budget trackers, digital stickers, resume templates, business checklists, wedding printables, kids activity sheets, fitness journals, recipe books, language learning flashcards, social media content calendars, small business spreadsheets. Choose one niche instead of trying to sell everything. Specialists usually earn more than general stores. Section 5. How to get your first sales. Many beginners think uploading is enough. It's not. You need traffic. Here are free ways. Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook groups, SEO on Etsy, blog posts, email newsletters. Create valuable content that helps people. Then recommend your digital product naturally. Section 6. Common mistakes. Avoid these beginner mistakes. Creating products nobody wants. Copying competitors. Poor thumbnails. Weak product descriptions. Ignoring SEO. Giving up after 1 week. Successful sellers usually test multiple products before finding a winner. Digital products won't make you rich overnight. But if you consistently create helpful products and market them properly, this business can grow into a reliable source of income. Start with one product. Improve it. Listen to customer feedback. Then build a collection over time. If you enjoyed this guide, hit the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Global Income Hub, for more AI business ideas. And let me know in the comments, what digital product would you create first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.